just goes away. The things I plan to say, oh baby.
Hello my crafty Cricut friends, it's me Lisa, and I wanted to make a short video to kind of go over if you're having issues with the slice button in Design Space not working. You make something really cool in Design Space and you try to get it to slice, and no matter what you do, the slice button won't work. Well, I have an easy solution for that. So we're going to start with a new project, and I like this Home Sweet Home, and my goal is to turn this into a stencil. So I have my Home Sweet Home. I like the size that it is, and I think this will look really cool on a plaque that I made. So I need to make the stencil. So I import the Home Sweet Home, and then I take a shape of a square, and I'm going to go ahead and change the color because it'll make it a little bit easier to see. And next I will make the square larger than my project. I'm going to send this to the back. That way this layer will be behind my Home Sweet Home, which is what I want to have as a stencil. So it looks good. Everything looks perfect. So now I just need to slice that out. So I'm going to go ahead and select all of the layers that I have, and hopefully the slice layer is not lit up. And I'm thinking to myself, why is this happening? Maybe I need to weld this together. So I hit the weld button and boom, my whole picture is gone. Has this happened to you? Believe it or not, there is a very easy solution to this. The slice function in Design Space will only work with 2 layers. So you've got to make sure you're only working with 2 layers in order for the slice to work. So I'm going to highlight the Home Sweet Home because obviously this is more than 1 layer. And then I'm going to weld that together. So welding the 2 layers to 1 is the first step. So now my Home Sweet Home is 1 layer. It's all combined. So now the blue square that I have is 1 layer as well. So I'm going to take my Home Sweet Home and put it back onto the blue square. Make sure that I have it sized how I want it to be. Yes, I'm happy with that. So now I'm going to select both of those. Oh, and look, the slice button is highlighted. Yay! So I'm going to go ahead and hit that slice button. Wait for a second. And now I'm able to slice those Home Sweet Home images. You'll get 2. And then I'm left with the image that I really want, which is going to be the stencil for my project. Oh my goodness, how easy is that? And the biggest thing is, if you are working in Design Space and your slice button won't light up, make sure that whatever it is that you're working on, there are only 2 layers, because the slice button will only work when you have 2 layers. So if you have to weld a couple of layers together, like I did with the Home Sweet Home, that will solve that problem for you. And I do remember struggling with this, especially when I first started making stencils. And I really hope that this video was helpful for you. And if you'd like to learn more little Cricut tips like that, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel and help me get to 100,000 subscribers. That is like my ultimate goal. And hopefully I will have lots of other helpful tips that will help you to master your Cricut cutting machine and make some really fabulous projects. And a lot of times the solution is a lot easier than you would think. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and come back on Thursday for a brand new video.